Suppose xy is 2 and given dy dt is -2, you need to find dx dt when x equals 2. So when you take the derivative of this one here, xy, so you can use the product rule. So first keep your x, derivative of y will be dy dt, plus now keep y, take x, derivative dx dt. And then right hand side is a constant, derivative is 0. So you got this quantity here. Now plug the values you have. So you have dy dt, which is -2, plug it here. X is given 2, plus now they are saying y. If your x is 2, can you tell me what is y from here? Easily you can see. You have xy equals 2 and your x is 2, so 2y is 2, y should be 1. So plug this one here, 1, and then dx dt equals 0. Now you got -4 plus dx dt equals 0. So then dx dt equals 4. You are done for this. Next example. Street light is at the top of 20 feet tall pole. A 6 feet tall man walks away from the pole with a speed of 8 feet per second along the straight path. So the question is, how fast is the tip of his shadow moving when he is 20 feet away from the base of the pole? So to do this one, first let me make a diagram. And we have a light here. This is the light. And the man is walking away from the pole. Let me make a diagram like this so that it is walking. Now, we know that this distance here is 6. This is 20 feet. 20 feet. And the height of this man here called 6 feet. And that one is 20 feet. So we make a diagram like this. So it is like that. Now let me say that the length from here is x and that one here is y. So what we are given? We are given dx dt equals 8 and our x equals 20 is given. Now from this diagram you can use similar triangle concept. So similar triangle concept, you can just say 20 over 6 will be same as when I take 20, I need to take whole thing, which is x plus y divided by y. And then simplify further. What we get now here, I can simplify. Let me make it 3 and this is 10. So I get 10y equals 3x plus 3y. So you get 7y equals 3x. Then you have y equals 3 over 7x. We need to find what is d dt of x plus y. That we need to find. Because if you look at the picture that I have before, the whole length we had here x plus y. So we want to see what happens with this. So this one simply you have d dt x plus y is 3 over 7x. That one is giving you d dt. If you simplify this, you get 10 over 7x. And then when you take the derivative, you get 10 over 7 dx dt. And what was our dx dt? Is 8. So finally plus 7, 10 over 7 times 8. 80 over 7.